At the end of this video, you will have the respect weapon. Any women you use this weapon on will start respecting you. Believe me, today in this video, you will understand with me the psychology of a woman, and you will know exactly what you need to do to make a woman respect you. It's often said that the best way to get a girl to respect you is to make her feel good about herself, but this might be true in a certain extent. But if this is the case, then how come those nice guys, who always try to make the girl feel good about herself, never get girls? It is because just like anyone else, those guys don't understand the real truth behind the core female psychology. What I am about to share with you might be a bit hard to believe, but this is the secret most men don't really understand about women. I will explain the 3 key principles that make women respect you. Let's dive in. Here's something most men completely misunderstand. They think the goal is to make her feel good all the time, but that's not what creates deep respect and attraction. Think about it this way. If you ate your favorite meal every single day, what happens? Eventually, it loses its appeal. A man who only ever makes a woman feel comfortable and validated ends up as a friend. Only difference between a friend and a lover is emotions. If you ask me what is the best way to win a girl's heart, I will tell you to make her laugh and cry. Most men think if they make women cry, she will leave, but no, if you manage to make a girl cry and then make up with her afterwards. If her attraction to you was, for example, 6 out of 10, it will become 8 out of 10. You must keep her confused. The men women genuinely respect know how to create contrast. And a man with emotional range is endlessly interesting to a woman, while a man who only performs positivity becomes predictable, and predictable becomes invisible. If you want to be respected by women, like the video, because principle number 2 explains exactly what those men do differently. This is the one most men never apply, because fear runs the show. Fear that if you disagree, she'll leave. Fear that if you set a boundary, she'll be angry. Fear that if you don't respond immediately, she'll lose interest. And that fear is exactly what kills respect. Here's the psychological truth. If you're afraid she'll forget you, she will forget you. If you're afraid she'll lose interest, she'll lose interest. Because fear communicates one thing: I don't believe I'm worth staying for. And if you don't believe it, she won't either. The man women respect is not afraid of her reactions. He disagrees when he disagrees. He sets boundaries when his boundaries are crossed. He doesn't always respond immediately just to ease her anxiety, not because he's playing games, but because he actually has a life, standards, self-respect. That's what creates genuine respect. Everything so far has been about interacting with a girl. But principle number 3 is about your internal frame. Let me ask you a question. Do you want to be respected by women, or do you want to be liked by them? Because most men are unknowingly chasing the wrong one, and the difference between these two changes everything. When you chase being liked and you compromise, you agree with things you actually disagree with. You stay in conversations that make you feel small. You laugh at things that aren't funny to you. And the worst part, she can feel all of it. Because here's the truth about women and respect. A woman cannot genuinely respect a man she can completely predict. A man who agrees with everything, who never pushes back. That man might be liked, but he will never be respected. And without respect, attraction has no foundation to stand on. In order to be respected, the first person who has to respect you is you. When you make decisions based on your own standards, your own values, your own judgment, something shifts. Your voice carries weight. Your presence means something. Because a man living for his own approval is magnetic. So the question isn't, how do I get her to respect me? The question is, do you respect yourself enough to be respected by others? Because that's where it starts. If this shifted how you think about respect and attraction, subscribe. because the next video breaks down exactly how to carry this energy into conversation. The specific words, most men never figure this out. Don't be most men.